This video covers how to post a single event, a special event on Blue Broward. It could be a campaign kickoff, it could be a fundraising dinner for your club, anything like that. Now there's a whole other set of functions that are related to how you post regularly scheduled events. So you set up a template that says that your club meets on the first Tuesday of the month or whatever, and then you can post individual events related to that template. But here I'm going to log in and look at these two buttons up top. There's post an event and there's post to the blog. So if you wanted to post an opinion, your endorsement of a certain candidate, post to the blog, but post to the event would be to post a single event. So let's click there. So you come first to this event setup screen, and I'm copying and pasting to fast forward through this, but you put in a title for your event, you put in the date and time for your event. And optionally, you can also put in a duration, how many hours long it's going to be. So here I'm actually taking something that came to me via email. Now, I don't always have time to post things for other people that come into me by email, but I'm doing it for the Plantation Democratic Club. You're welcome, Plantation Democratic Club. But they could have come in and posted this themselves. So this is the annual William Bill Kling Community Service Awards and dinner. I'm going to copy and paste in some text, again, that I received via email, and we'll make that the body of the event listing. So this is very much like how you would work with setting up a blog. It has all the same controls. It's just that an event is associated with a specific date and it shows up on the calendar for that date. If I want to make something in the body of the text a link, I can highlight it and click on this chain link icon, and that allows me to put in or copy and paste in the web address where you can find out more information. It's often easiest to just copy and paste that from the browser bar so that you make sure you get it formatted correctly. And if I want to add an image, there are these little plus signs that appear at various points around the page, at the beginning of paragraphs, in between paragraphs. So if I want to insert something, I can insert an image. They also have this PDF, which shows more details, is a little bit more graphical, shows pricing details, and it shows how you can sign up. So we can choose insert a file. And select that file to attach. And so that will appear with a little download button next to it. We can change the name there of that file. We don't have to use the actual file name. We can just have the link say flyer or flyer and registration form. How about that? All right, that looks pretty good. I can publish this. And we can go out and view it. So here's that would look if we looked at that specific event on the website. And also if we go to the calendar, it's going to be listed here chronologically on the event listings. And of course this calendar also goes out by email every Sunday, so they'll get a promotion there. That is how you post a special event on Blue Broward, and I invite you to do it.